Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about energy consumption. What is the energy consumption? The energy consumption is the consumption in kilowatt hours that the Sunny Heat infrared heater has required. Where can I find the energy consumption? The energy consumption can be viewed in the menu under General, Energy Consumption. What is the power menu? In the power menu, you can enter the power of the Sunny Heat infrared heater that is controlled by this EcoControl thermostat. If several Sunny Heat infrared heaters are controlled with EcoControl, the power of the Sunny Heat infrared heaters must be added to see the correct energy consumption. The power is indicated on the type plate of the respective Sunny Heat infrared heater. It can be found behind the term power and is indicated in the unit watt. The respective digit of the power can be selected by tapping on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The digit can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. What is the display menu? In the display menu, the energy consumption is displayed in kilowatt hour. The energy consumption is 1 kilowatt hour. If you multiply the energy consumption by the price per kilowatt hour of the electricity provider, you can calculate how high the electricity costs are. When recording energy consumption, Sunny Heat assumes a constant supply voltage of 230 volts. Tip: if only the hours are displayed instead of the energy consumption in kilowatt hours, the power has not been entered in the power menu. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the reset menu? In the reset menu you can reset the energy consumption. This means that Sunny Heat will start recording energy consumption again at 0 kilowatt hours. For security reasons, a message is displayed asking whether you really want to reset the energy consumption. By pressing the confirmation button, the energy consumption is reset and you return to the previous menu. If you press the cancel button instead of the confirmation button, the energy consumption is not reset and you return to the previous menu. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. The power to display the energy consumption has now been entered. The energy consumption has been viewed and reset. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.